Hey guys, Dennis here, Southwest Tech Solutions. Got a package today. See, nice little package. Some of you may know I'm an amateur radio operator, so I'm going to show you what's in this little package. It's pretty neat. Came from a gentleman in New Brunswick, and it's a little project that he started called CATS, Communication and Telemetry System. If we look over here, if you go to cats.radio, you can see a little bit of what about. It's kind of like APRS, but not really, I guess. So anyways, it's like a replacement, I guess, or, you know, like it says right here, it's ultimately meant to be a replacement for APRS, so it offers some additional features. Runs on UHF as well, so that's pretty cool. I've already opened the package just to make sure, like the outside package, to make sure that we don't have any kind of personal information or anything in there. But you know, I haven't opened anything within the package yet. So first thing we get is came with a nice little external GPS receiver. Trying to find the camera here. Next, we have a little board, a Raspberry Pi hat. Sorry for the crappy lighting in here. It's got the CATS logo in the back. And I'm trying to do this while the camera's inverted, and it's just not braining today. So this is it's an iGateway board. So I'm going to run a digipeater kind of thing, as well as since there's nothing really around in my area, I also bought a mobile device. So we have, this is what the, it's got two SMA connectors, one for the GPS and one for an antenna, as well as power. We've got a power connection there, so you can set it to come on and off based on the voltage. So, you know, once it sees, say, 12 volts or whatever, and you start up your vehicle, or once it levels off, whatever, minimum of 12 volts, and it'll power on, and away it goes, and everything's automatic. And you also will see there's a USB-C. Yeah, this is annoying. USB-C connection there for programming and whatnot. Nice 3D printed case. So anyways, I don't have the adapters I need for the antennas just yet. So I need some male SMA to SO239s, and I'm also going to get a couple of diplexers or duplexers so that I can run that and APRS, or that CATS and VHF on the same antenna. So in my truck, for example, I have a monoband VHF at the moment, so I'll run VHF from the radio, from the mobile radio, and I'll use UHF on CATS. And I think that's a 1 watt transmitter, I believe. Same with the hat. And I've got a Raspberry Pi. Maybe I'll do a video on this later, but I've got a Raspberry Pi where I can install the hat in, and it'll run, I'll be putting an antenna up on the house, and it'll run a APRS digipeater iGate as well as a CATS digipeater iGate. So we all running from the same antenna. So anyways, like I said, check out cats.radio to get more information. And yeah, I'll record another video once I get it set up and going.